I'm in the heart of barbecue land. I'm in Austin, Texas, shooting a doc for my mate Bam. And I'm here to learn all about barbecue, to meet the people, the produce, the land, and the food. And I'm gonna go and eat at every flipping barbecue restaurant I can to find out which is the best barbecue restaurant in Texas. It became apparent very quickly that the debate in Austin over the best barbecue joint was pretty hot.
My top is Franklin's.
Franklin's, I thought Franklin's was rather overrated, to be honest.
The giant beef ribs and blacks with so juice. I'm in a food coma. Bark around him is amazing.
And about Smitty's or Blacks. So I decided to ask our man on the ground, Victor the Fixer. Yo, so Vic, listen, what's the best barbecue in town? Because I hear it's Franklin.
Well, Franklin is very popular, definitely, and good. But you should check Lockhart, man. I mean, they have the best barbecue. They call it the Texas barbecue capital. So they got 3 main restaurants that are icons of the town: Smithy's, Blacks, and Cruz Market.
So we've got a break in filming today. And so I'm going to try and take my chances and get down to Franklin's. Now it's about 11 o'clock and the queue is legendary, right? I've heard like sort of 4 hours. It's bonkers because it's been raining in Austin today. I'm hoping that's decimated the crowd, and you know, I feel like I got a chance, so let's go for it.
Chopped beef, more of them that stay, which is like, I can see if we have enough chopped to get more people added in, but it's not.
Appreciate that. Thanks for letting me know.
Thank you.
Want some chopped beef? I can go check to see how many.
Thank you. Okay, that's a nightmare. I've come all this way and there's just no chance. So we just finished the street food section of the Unilag vid. Really cool. Thwaite's street food vibe, absolutely delicious. They had pulled lamb. Oh yeah. And they're telling that we should go to Lockhart's. Bam, how the devil are you doing, chef?
I'm good. It's great. It's been an amazing journey.
So how are you feeling about going to Lockhart's tomorrow?
Yeah, Lockhart, like everyone keeps hyping it up. They keep making it it's going to be the best point possible.
Yeah, it's going to be really interesting, isn't it? Because we've been to like the best places that Austin has to offer, but
yeah,
there's been a couple of people that have just been like, you need to go to Smitty's,
yeah,
Blacks, and
the Cruise.
Yeah. Cruise.
Damn it!
We made it. The barbecue capital of Texas, Lockhart.
So this is Smitty's, and I'm just blown away. It's the most spectacular barbecue place we've been to so far. It's just so visually iconic and tells the story of barbecue of this land just by its structure. The fires never go out. It's amazing. That is just going to be the most succulent piece of beef you've ever had, I reckon.
I'm telling you, corporates are undeniably my favourite.
Oh, it's blown me away. Like that porkness, like you said, it's got the sweetness, it's got that natural, fruity meatiness that pork had. For me, it feels a little bit more sophisticated. It's got no sauce on it. So again, the meat is standing up. So for me, it feels extremely sophisticated, even though it's an age-old practice that they do. Now there is the argument that sauce goes on there to cover up your mistakes.
Exactly,
right?
but this is just proud. Like they just put it out as it is, and it's just.
There's no mistakes here. Okay. So First restaurant in Lockhart, Smitty's, and it's the best barbecue I've ever had, ever. The beef brisket was just genuinely spectacular. The smoke ring on the outside, but it's the moisture that they'd locked in, off the chart. Sausages, the jalapeno one and the regular one, off the chart. Like, the Smitty's is the best barbecue place, hands down, that we've been to so far. I don't know how the other two are going to perform. I don't know how they're going to do better than this. Like, genuinely, we're all blown away. Next up is Black's, which is just down the road. Right, full off the bone. Just over here, but just look at this. Just look at this. Like, just absolute incredible. Yeah, I'm sweating brisket. Yeah. We'll keep it down because we're in Black. How does that compare?
Yeah, can't mention second place.
Yeah, we feel the same. Oh, okay, barbecue 2 down. First Smitty's. Smitty's is more, it's more sophisticated. It's more clean in its taste. Fat doesn't get in the way. Like, this is not bad. This is still fabulous, but Smitty's is special. Right, final one of the day is Cruise Market, and I've had enough barbecue. Barbecue number 3, Bam, how you feeling?
I'm gonna sweat full time after this. Yeah. So let's get into the brisket.
Quite great flavour. It's a bit dry for me. Pork ribs. Cruise was a little bit disappointing. I don't know if it's because we came at the end of the day, but brisket was quite tough, and the sausage just was not as good as Smitty's at all, and the pickles were really good actually, and pork ribs were good as well, but just not up to Smitty's. So yeah, Smitty's number 1. I was pretty full at this point, so I let the crew polish off the rest. Oh wow, what a trip. Really, really amazing. I think initially I was really disappointed not to be able to get to Franklin's, but then going to Lockhart just totally saved it for me. And Smitty's, hands down, the best barbecue I've ever tried, ever. I think one of the things that I've really seen here in Texas is that everybody's got their take on barbecue. There's no one set way. But yeah, amazing trip. Smitty's needs to go on your bucket list.
You got to make it to Texas.